is this?
What is this? This. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have received a parcel today.
What is it?
This is our new vlogging camera.
But we're still going to vlog with this one, obviously.
Obviously, we might use the G7x Mark II now and again, but from now on, this will be our new vlog. So, would you like to unbox it, Lace?
I don't know which way to...
Just rip it.
Oh. Bye-bye.
It's delicate.
Just rip it. What have we got?
Just going for a camera then.
We have got...
Do you want me to open it?
the GoPro Hero 12.
You've said that many times.
Yeah, because you keep talking.
Well, you want to do it with these.
GoPro Hero 12.
You said that already.
Oh my god!
Okay, stop.
Okay, last one. Take 74.
GoPro Hero 12. Creator
You
Edition.
said that already.
You said that already. You said
Okay.
that already.
We're opening it.
Okay, so inside here we have a light.
Too good of a sport.
We have a microphone mod. She keeps moving it. And then we have the Volta handset, which is a rechargeable battery. Not a gimbal. It's not a gimbal.
It's not a gimbal.
It's just a tripod, but a rechargeable tripod with a light.
Now I can rip it. But
Mic mod.
Oh my god.
Well done.
Still a bit left. Oh.
Alright.
Dad's weird. Oh, thanks, Dad. Shall we open the case which it comes in so we can see it?
Oh, so it comes in a nice little carry case. We like.
You can use it actually, can't you?
Well, then that's the idea. Yeah. Keep it all in the case.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do-do-do-do. Oh, instructions.
Got some instructions.
And these are...
Can I have a look at the instructions?
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
Do you want me to take the
Creator
case out?
Edition. Must be updated before you can use it.
What is this?
So install GoPro Quip app on your phone. Okay.
What is this?
We've got to download the GoPro Quick app on our phone. Make sure you have the internet correct. Follow the instructions. Okay, so I'll do all that after and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, what have we got in the box first?
So, we've got the light. Okay, let's get this out.
You got a light. Cool.
The light is white right now because we're not in the dark. We're not also going to use
What else is there? So that's your microphone mod.
How did that light get on?
So that goes around
Does
the
it?
GoPro. No, I'll show you.
Yeah.
So you slip it onto the hot shoe, which is on here, like so.
Can I try? I want to show them with me doing it.
Okay, but
Yep.
so you just pull that down and it opens. Like
Big
that.
fingers in the way. Okay.
And you
now
can take this off, so you can have it brighter, I guess.
yeah, if it's really dark,
Yeah.
I want to try to pull it on and show them.
Just
So, this little part,
yeah, it goes onto the hot shoe.
like this way? No.
Yeah.
So at the front, no. Just go like that. But then at the back, your thumbs are here.
Yeah.
You press gently and wiggle it a bit.
Cool. Turn it around to show me. Cool. What else we got?
Okay.
So we got the Volta handle, which I think is about £120 on its own. Connection there where you can connect it to another stand.
Yeah, if you're wondering why it said it's like my mum, because I've got my own fake vlog, don't I, Dad?
Yeah.
Which I made. And look, there's little buttons. What do these do?
So you got buttons to press record. You could change the mode, Bluetooth connection, battery, and then you just plug it directly straight in to the GoPro.
Some of this I might get you, Dad, to do this because I'm losing my voice today.
That's okay. And then what you have got, hold that for me.
Yes, I can. My voice.
So the Volta, you can use it as a stand like
Dad.
so, and it also recharges, so you've got extra battery life.
I want to open this one last. This one second.
Okay, now that's just your battery.
Yeah. You
So
can
you got a battery here, which is the Enduro battery. so they last longer.
After we're done, we're going to take this case
Let me
out.
have a look.
Got it out.
And then you got your GoPro
Shall
Hero.
I take it out of this case?
Just take it out of the white one. Rip the right one off if you want.
Can I take that off?
That's
Also, I'm
it.
going to be careful. And this is the round bit.
GoPro Hero 12. Got blue little speckles to it. You see, GoPro 12 is a
Let me
bit
hold
thicker
it.
than the 7. I will grab the 7 and show you the differences in sizes.
But first, can I take off the sticker?
Go on then. Not only the front ones.
Yeah, not the back ones yet.
Yeah.
Oh my
There we
god.
go. And the good thing about this lens is it repels water, so it will always be dry. So there'll be no dots on there from water.
Like you
And what
guys.
we do like, which is better than the 7, is that you've got a screen on the front. So you can...
Yeah, but
see.
that's on our other camera too.
Yeah, on our Canon
What's-
G7x Mark II. Cool, isn't they?
But what does the back say?
Your camera must be updated before you can use it.
I want to open this back one.
Go on then.
Dun dun dun. Nice,
Ooh,
smooth.
nice and smooth.
After,
Okay.
let's take this battery out, this big boy. Should I take this sticker off then? Like this thing
That's
out.
not a sticker. That's a tab to pull it out.
I need to put
So you
it
have a tab that you put it in and out. Make it easy.
Do I need to... Oh wait.
And then we just got packaging, which we don't need. I don't think there's anything in there.
The bottoms. Yeah, we're done the
And
bottoms.
then all of these accessories in here.
Don't we to take some out?
So you got a wind muffle for the microphone.
Shall
So
I
you got
take
your wind muff onto the microphone. So just hold that for me there. And then another cool feature underneath this one here, you will have a headphone socket, which looks like a headphone socket, but it's actually for an external microphone. So you've got a couple of cables, a couple of screws.
How do I take it off?
You've got another hot shoe mount.
How did you
So you've got a flat grip GoPro
I
adapter.
took this off.
So we've got one GoPro mount, and then I'm not sure what this is for.
Well,
It
we'll
looks
go
like it goes on the side of the GoPro.
like this. Like this.
Ah, okay, yeah. So this you can put on the side of the GoPro,
Here.
and you can just plug in a power supply. So you don't have to have it open like this. Right. So instead of just having the GoPro open like this and having it plugged in,
You could grab
you
this.
can put that on it and close it and then just have it plugged in. So yeah, a bit like how Lace has done there. So,
But you have to
but you have to
decide
take that bit off, put that one on, and then you can plug it directly into the power.
But obviously because it's a new one, we're just doing it like now. We're not actually going to take that off.
So
But now,
this here as well is another mount. So like at the top, you can mount the GoPro. You can then mount maybe the hot shoe, which they've got. So you can put the hot shoe on there. That's another mount.
but Dad, we need to learn. We need to teach them how to open it now.
Yeah, should we have a look how to open it?
I've been trying. I think about that, but
Can I have a look?
didn't work.
So you need to take this off.
Yeah, you can take it off,
So-
but I'll pull it in.
Take off the actual section here.
But I'll.
So this comes off. So you need to just take this off. Literally just pops off.
Don't do it roughly, or it'll break.
And then with the mod, it goes in,
This way, with the buttons here.
yeah, like this.
Okay, can I pull it in?
Yeah.
Get out. I'll take it out. Sorry, vlog. Sorry about that.
So it just slides in.
Not really, Dad.
Yeah, it should do.
Oh, there we go. It's because some parts are rubber. This should close. Hopefully it does. So it's like
And that's
that,
in.
but this part needs to try to go down.
And you just close it.
And then,
Hold that for me.
once you've done that, obviously, like at the beginning we showed you, you get your light. I think it's this way, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Get your light. Put it in like that.
And then underneath the GoPro, you can. Do you want to try and pull them down?
What, down?
So you just pull them down like that. And with the Hero 10, 11 and 12, your mount is actually attached to the camera.
Separate them. Isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, so you hold it and I'll get the screw.
Oh my God.
Hold it. Just put the screw into the mount. So that's all in there, secure.
Okay, now, after you've done those parts, the Furby.
Which is also known as the wind muff.
I call it Furby.
But obviously if it's not windy, don't necessarily need that on. And we probably will have an external microphone on there anyway.
Wait, Dad, we need to show them how to put this in though.
Oh, we haven't put the battery in?
No.
Ugh.
Oh my God.
So actually when you do want to change the battery or need to change the battery, you actually have to take everything apart. So you'll need to unscrew it here. You'll then need to take the actual GoPro out of the mod because the battery is this side.
But guys, so if this one...
Everything has to come out just to change the battery.
If this one gets rusty, you've got another one.
Oh, yeah.
But you have to clean them. Definitely clean them. I'm not saying do it
We've
like
got
that.
a QR code, so you can you can subscribe to the GoPro.
And then we've got the
and
battery.
Be a GoPro subscriber.
Yeah, that's about with the battery.
Cool. So on here as well, I think I saw it. So underneath the cable will be where you charge the Volta.
Yep.
So that is
Charge.
where you charge it.
Okay,
As well,
so
and you
now,
can
guys,
just rotate the head, so then you can put the stand out. Like so, and then it's facing the right way.
Oh my God, Mum. But if you want it this way, you just rotate it that way, don't you?
Yeah.
Furby, even.
Cool, and that's set up. So I'll update it overnight and we'll see you. Welcome back, and we're now going to set up the Hero 12 after downloading the GoPro Quick app. It's just asked me if we'd like to set up the GoPro now, so yes. And we're going to connect the camera, and then I'll show you on screen what we're how we're going to set it up. Please turn on Bluetooth, find your camera. So click English, legal stuff agree, voice control on, confirm. Oh, I need an SD card. Okay, so we are now ready to sync as soon as this gets in focus. So English, agree, voice control, confirm. I have installed the Quick GoPro app. Leave your camera on and follow the instructions. So we go back to this, Hero 12, connect, searching for camera. We found your GoPro. Whoop whoop. Connect. So I've probably got to leave this on while it's connecting. But while it's doing that, I'll quickly show you our Hero 7. Look at the size difference between the 12 and the 7. It's a bit bigger. Let's install the update. Update camera. So nearly finished the update. Yeah, The Hero 7 has been very good to us. Had it a very, very long time. As you can see, it is a bit bigger than Hero 12. So lots of big features that are different. Can't wait to get using the Hero 12. Big benefit is obviously having the camera on the front facing. Looking forward to that. So carry on with the update. What's up, baby? Welcome to the GoPro. This is a new time for us. We got a GoPro Hero 12 and we're just testing out the new media mod. Yep. And how it looks with the sound, video. And this should be keeping my face straight, even though I've turned the camera upside down right now. Crazy. Crazy! So this is just the GoPro, nothing, naked. It's got nothing on, no mod, and we're using the Horizon lock still, but there's no external microphone on the top.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.